Good morning to all. I am Vivek once again welcoming you all my channel named GIS and Research. As in my previous video, I have already explained that we are going to conduct one online GIS and Research training in the December 1st week. But due to some technical issues, we have not able to conduct that training program on time. And that training program we have rescheduled in the second Saturday of December. That is in this Saturday. In that training program, we are going to cover certain topics of remote sensing GIS, and those topics I am going to explain today in brief. So let's have a look at today's session. So in the very first, we are going to explain you what are the different image processing software available in the market, open source and also uh, costly buying softwares. For example, not open source, ArcGIS, Eradas, those things are there. Those things we will explain you one by one, and what are the advantages of that software, what are the particular purpose of the software, for what purpose we have to buy that software, or for what purpose we have to use that software. Those things we will learn in that. And then we'll see data visualizations, what are the how to visualize a particular data. Then we'll see import and export techniques of various satellite data. Then we'll see how to georeference a particular data, layer stacking of multispectral images, then subset of data, how to do resolution merging, those also we'll see. Then mosaicing also we'll learn. And after that we'll see individual pixel value, how to get the individual pixel value or information from a particular pixel. Then we'll learn what are the different image enhancement techniques and how to implement that in our study. And for example, image contrast enhancement, then histogram equalizations, density slicing. These are some of the image enhancement techniques. Then later on we will see band ratio. What are the different band ratio techniques? Those things also we will learn through practical. And we'll also see what are the different filtering techniques are there. Then principal component analysis. Then this classification, image classification techniques, that is supervised, unsupervised, those things also we'll learn. Then recoding of pixel. For example, you have classified some of the you have classified of a particular satellite image for example land use land cover. You have maybe classified 4 to 5 features. For example, agriculture, non built up, water body, and some of the pixel may be misclassified. For example, built up may be misclassified as a water body or some other feature. So those misclassified pixel, again, how to recode that pixel so that our accuracy can be improved. So those things we will learn through recoding of pixel. Then we will see the accuracy assessment and what is the accuracy of a particular image processing. Those things we will learn through accuracy assessment technique. Then we will learn change detection of different images. The next slide we will see geodatabase creation. Geodatabase creation is very important because when you will have a lot of data, for example, thousands, hundreds of spatial data, opening one by one will be a very difficult task. So in that case, we are using geodatabase. We have to create a single geodatabase and we will put it all 100,000 data in a single geodatabase. Those things we will learn one by one. Then we'll see spatial data integration, that is digitization of point line polygon. These things will be again very useful because this will give a basic idea about how to generate a data from secondary sources. For example, from topo sheet, from printed maps, how to generate data. Those things we will explain you in this spatial data integration session. Then we will come to the non-spatial data integration. In this, we will learn how the non-spatial data we can integrate into the spatial data. So this non-spatial and spatial data integration, those things we will see. For example, you have data on your Excel sheet, and that Excel sheet you want to make as a spatial data. So how to integrate that? How to join them? Those things we will see. Then we will explain you how to edit the spatial and non-spatial data both. Then topology. Why you need to create topology and what is the advantage of the topology corrections, and those things also we will inform you, we'll explain you, then data query, and after that we'll explain you object based image classification techniques. Then after that, raster data calculations, accuracy assessment. Again, this is different. That is different. That previous accuracy assessment was different, and this accuracy assessment is different. Those things also we'll discuss with you. What is the difference between that accuracy assessment and this accuracy assessment? We'll see one by one. Then finally, we'll see how to design a particular map. For example, symbolization, how to give different symbol, how to give it a different object, different symbol we have to assign to different object of a particular map. Then we will design our layout, how to design the layout, how to make it more attractive, qualitative maps. So those things also we'll learn in our training program. So these are some of the things we are going to cover in our training program. Most of them already registered in the training program through the links. Those people who are interested still now, they can register through the registration links given below in the description section, and we will describe more things based on participants query. If they have some special query that they want to learn this thing, that thing, those things also will integrate in our topic, in the syllabus we can explain it, no issues. Whatever query candidates will have, those things we will try to explain one by one. So thank you all once again. Have a very good day.